They were going to look for some dinner in Hanoi. Kind of start by just walking down a random street. There's some delicious looking pho, but there's nobody there, so. Okay, wherever those two ladies are going, we're not going. If they look at their cell phones constantly, the problem with that is walking on these beautiful streets, you're gonna miss the opportunity for real food. I believe we met the real food person right here. Oh damn, the smelly vision of the snails and the clams and the lemongrass. Yeah, the way we order, y'all may have noticed this in some other videos, but kind of like you decide what you want, I decide what I want, and then you just end up getting most of the menu.
Yeah, I have the small one. Would you like the bigger one? I don't know, but it looks great. Better. Other places people always expect up. One big one? Yeah, one big one.
Yeah, actually the small one is better, but
Really?
yeah, but the bigger one is easy to handle.
Yeah.
You want to try?
What I love about Vietnam is there's always someone telling you, always some lady, some auntie telling you what to do, what to order. Which adds the next dimension to eating out in Vietnam.
It depends on your taste
Oh.
and your habit.
She said this is a one one.
Some people they like small one.
Oh,
Some people they like big one.
No English, then it doesn't taste good.
Depends on
We gotta find a place to sit.
okay, that's okay.
Fresh put some of it inside of it. See, trying to figure that out. It's like bay leaves. What the heck is going on there besides the lemongrass and the bay leaves and random? That's the sugarcane juice on the side there, by the way. I should have picked up some silver chains on the way to go and eat dinner. You never know when you need a silver chain.
This
There's the clams coming.
You have one right here.
Pick it up, line up on there. And that's Nook Mom on this side. Take it to the Nook Mom. What's the big snail?
I got it. You just do one. Really good. Really, really good.
It's fresh.